bada bing. I think it came out pretty good. Both the drills fit up there nice. I made it 10 inches deep so then I could have a pretty big bit on there and not have to worry about taking it on and off to fit on there. But the 2-inch gap there works good with these particular drills. I'm sure every drill is different. And the 3/4 inch plywood, it's holding up good, nice and sturdy. So I like it. And then I can just take the battery off, pop it on there. Nice.